have been visiting? I mean, what places you have visited so far?
I'm happy to be here. And
How many cities of United States of America you have visited so far? You're advising all the people watching.
Experience.
Wonderful. Do you have this kind of place in Canada? Oh, really?
don't say that
Nothing
to
like
Gary.
this. Yeah.
Right. You have a right.
Nightlife's good there.
Very good.
As well, but
Good
it's
luck.
not like this.
Good
Yeah.
luck. Thank you for This is your first time in America?
No.
You have been visiting
No,
America?
we've been in the West Coast.
Okay, so
This is the East, right? So
what about the New York? First time?
This is the first time we got,
First
and
time
I
and-
love it. I love it.
Love
Yeah,
it?
Yeah.
Really? So where you have been visiting? I mean, what places you have visited so far?
The Statue of Liberty. That's one of the best, the highlight.
Okay.
And then we got the Flatiron Building, but it's under construction right now.
Empire State Building?
Yeah, we had of course, this Times Square. This is
Right.
the best, I guess. This is the
This
best.
is the
I
best.
think. Yeah.
Okay. What about
then,
you? How's your feelings?
I'm happy to be here. Like, yeah, it's.
You
my
should
first-
come here. You guys should come here.
It's our first time to be here in New York, in Times Square,
Uh-huh.
and there's no place like this in our.
Okay, I have
where we
another
came
question.
from.
How many cities of United States of America you have visited so far?
We went to Seattle. We frequent to Seattle. I went to Portland, Las Vegas.
Right. So which
Yeah.
one is the best?
I think New York's the best.
New York is the best.
New York's
So you're advising all the people watching this video
to come to New York.
to come to New York
Experience
and come
the
to
New York
Times Square.
experience. Yes, experience the New York experience.
Wonderful.
alright? It's-
Do you have this kind of place in Canada or in
No,
Philippines?
no. Canada is a boring place.
Oh,
No,
really?
don't say that.
And what about the Philippines?
Philippines is a fun place. It's a
Okay.
fun place, but there's
There's
like
a
nothing
lot
like
of
this.
things to do
Nothing like
here
this.
in-
Yeah.
Right. You have a good clubs in the Philippines too?
Very. There are lots of
Right.
Nightlife's good there.
Very good.
As well, but
Good
it's
luck.
not like this.
Good
Yeah.
luck. Thank you for talking
Thank you.
to me.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is your first time in the United States of America?
Correct.
Okay, and first time in New York City?
First time
and
New
first
York
time
City.
in, obviously,
Times Square.
in Times Square.
Indeed.
So how are you feeling here?
Well, it's actually full of lights.
Okay.
It looks like morning,
Right.
but it's exciting, that's for sure.
And do you have these kinds of fun places in Italy too?
Well, I don't think that you can find in Italy something like this, so it's quite unique. And no, definitely no.
Okay, can you introduce you please?
मैं संध्या हूँ और मैं ओरिजिनली हैदराबाद से हूँ पर अब मैं बॉस्टन में रहती हूँ और थैंक्सगिविंग के लिए न्यूयॉर्क आए थे ये हम सबके फ्रेंड्स हैं
Your friends. Okay.
Yeah.
What about this pretty girl?
I'm from India originally, and I
Which
live
city in
Phil-
India?
In Bangalore.
In Bangalore?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I live in Philadelphia now.
You live in Philadelphia?
Yeah.
And what about you gentlemen?
My name is Ahad. I'm from Kerala.
You're from Ahad?
Yeah,
You're
my-
Ahad?
Yeah, my name is
Okay,
Ahad.
right. You Muslim?
And yeah,
Okay. You are from Kerala?
yeah, Kerala in India.
Which city in Kerala?
Calicut.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about you, sir?
Hi, I'm Nikhil. I'm from India, from
Okay.
Karnataka.
Karnataka?
Yeah.
So Karnataka, Kerala,
तेलंगाना
you Hyderabad is in
हैदराबाद is तेलंगाना
Hyderabad is Telangana, not UP.
यूपी नहीं
Okay, Telangana. Or you told me you're from
Bangalore, Karnataka.
Karnataka. And you're living here in America, you live in Boston, she lives in Philadelphia, and they're living where?
Buffalo.
Huh?
I live in Buffalo.
Buffalo?
Yeah.
So then how you're friends? Amazing.
हम सब अंडरग्रेड के फ्रेंड्स हैं
Huh?
अंडरग्रेड के फ्रेंड्स हैं
Undergrad ke friends hai. So how you connect each other?
अंडरग्रेड से जानते हैं इंडिया से जानते हैं तो
Oh, you know each other from India. Right. So how's you feeling? I mean, you guys are first time in New York? You live in Buffalo, just two hours
It's my
away.
first time.
Oh, okay. So how's your feelings about
न्यूयॉर्क
New York and the Times Square?
लव न्यूयॉर्क लव टाइम्स स्क्वायर हमने अभी शो देखा था it was so good it was so amazing yeah love New York
Uh-huh. सर्दी आपके इलाके में ज़्यादा है बॉस्टन में या न्यूयॉर्क में?
बॉस्टन में बहुत ज़्यादा।
वहाँ पे
बहुत
बर्फबारी हो रही
ज़्यादा, हाँ,
है ना?
एक बार स्नो भी हुआ था अभी 2 दिन पहले।
अच्छा,
हाँ,
तो फिर
Like-
बर्फबारी में फिर कैसे मतलब होती है परेशानी? बिकॉज पाकिस्तान और इंडिया में तो
हाँ
बर्फबारी नहीं होती
हाँ,
है।
पर अब तो ज़िंदगी तो यही है तो we can't complain.
Okay, so what are your future plans then? You will stay here in America or you will go
Mostly.
back to India?
Mostly staying.
Este es el baile del pique. La única banda que canta. Hasta las 15, hasta las 15, hasta las 15. Más caliente que la cosa. Closer. Y esto es
Okay, we have the guy. We need one more person.
Who's that?
Sexy mom.
A sexy mom.
Hey, she's right there.
Yes, sir.
The white iPhone. Don't run. Come.
Pero bueno, vamos a hacer el baile del pique.
Yes.
Que dice...
Yes.
Make some noise. El baile del
Hey, that's not part of the show. Where you going? No. We said put her in a line, then have a good time. Come, sweetie. Come over here. That's a different show. Yes.
What's the rest of the joke?
There's no rest of the joke. Don't worry, it's just like college.
I dropped out.
Don't worry, he doesn't pull out.
Turn me up. Everybody clap your hands.
Oh, I'm Jessica. Hi.
Jessica from
I'm from South Carolina.
South Carolina.
Yeah.
So this is your first time here?
My first time as an adult, so yeah.
Oh, okay. So how are you feeling here at the Times Square?
I love it. It like gives me all kinds of great energy.
Right.
Yeah.
I was looking at you. You were just enjoying the show.
Yeah, I'm very excited to be here.
Right. What about you, sweetheart?
Where you from,
I'm
man?
Amanda.
Amanda?
Yeah.
Okay, this is your
Texas.
first time, Amanda?
Stop the show. Stop the show.
She's my tour guide.
New York
She's
City.
your tour
She's
guide.
We have
actually
a
my
birthday
cousin,
boy right
and I
over
brought her
here.
because she's a New York.
He's all the way
basically
from
like
Texas.
a New York
If
professional.
you
She
stand
knows how to
around,
get around,
just
and I
everybody
don't.
say happy birthday.
So she can guide me when where to go.
Yes.
to film
On the
for my
count of
vlog.
3.
Sure, yes, she can help you.
3.
Now she can't really get us back to our hotel.
Okay.
We keep
We
getting
love you,
lost for
Texas.
some
High
reason, but
five,
she
high
tells me
five.
she knows what she's doing.
Let's get this picture.
Say it again. I didn't understand that.
She can't get us to our hotel,
Okay.
but she keeps telling me that she knows where she's going. So we're
Okay.
just gonna figure it out.
Okay. So what is the best place
We
to
love
go
you.
other than this place in New York
Oh, they
City?
want to dance.
Cat's Deli in Lower Manhattan.
Oh,
Okay.
They're gonna
What about
dance. They wanna see
the
some-
lady
I wanna
who
see-
has
The Statue of Liberty.
yeah?
That's all right. She's okay. It's okay.
And where is the fun place? Lots of girls, beautiful girls.
Well, we saw a dance club over there. So like, the girls dance club. They're that way.
तो दोस्तों ये था टाइम्स स्क्वायर का नज़ारा। मैंने आपको पूरा टाइम्स स्क्वायर दिखाया, यहाँ की रंगीनियाँ और खूबसूरती दिखाई। और मैंने आपको बहुत सारे लोगों से मैंने बात भी की और उनमें टर्किश भी थे, इटालियन भी थे, इंडियंस भी थे, श्रीलंका से लोग भी थे, कनाडा से भी थे और उन सब की फीलिंग्स जो थी इस टाइम्स स्क्वायर के बारे में वो भी मैंने आपको दिखाई। यहाँ अभी तक जिस वक्त रात के तकरीबन 9:30 बजे हैं, जो रंगीनी है वो जो है या जो रश है लोगों का वो रुकने का नाम नहीं ले रहा। अभी भी बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे हैं। तो मैं इस वक्त जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि एक तो सर्दी बढ़ गई है, दूसरा ये है कि मुझे जाना है ट्रेन में बैठ के जो उनका मेट्रो है उस जगह पे जहाँ मैं रुका हुआ हूँ और उस एरिया का नाम है क्वींस प्लाज़ा और मेरा एक हॉस्टल है, बहुत अच्छा सा हॉस्टल है, उसमें मेरा स्टे है मज़ीद 2 दिन और कल फिर मैं आपको यानी आने वाले दिनों में मैं आपको सैर कराऊंगा न्यूयॉर्क की कुछ और जगहों की। तो फिर जुड़े रहिए और जो है वो मेरा YouTube चैनल देखते रहिए। आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।